Hello, Starshines! It's Dara. And welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys what's inside of my first Babebox subscription. The first box is free, so you're gonna pay just only the shipping fee. It's $7, I think, if I'm not mistaken, and you can pay that through credit card, Visa or MasterCard, whatever. Babebox is a monthly subscription of beauty and makeup that sends 4 to 6 full-size products. It's cruelty-free, then it ranges to $80 to $150, if I'm not mistaken. Yun yung nakalagay sa website nila, and they sell good quality products. As I scan their website, yung rate ng mga naging customers nila is 10 over 10. So let's see kung worth it ba bumili or mag-subscribe sa Babebox. So ito yung box niya. I already opened it and disinfected it. Medyo matagal lang siyang dumating since straight from the US pa siya galing. So maybe basta 1 month ko siyang inantay. 1 month ko siyang inantay simula nung in-order ko siya. And yun. So, ito yung laman niya. There's a card here. So, yun, yung card. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. By Coco Chanel. All of the items included with your Babebox are 100% cruelty-free. So, yun. So, what's in your Babebox? It has MUDMASKY Leave Me on Autumn Mask. This gel-based, oil-free, ultra-calming formula is made for the fall season. It helps rebalance and rehydrate your skin after a summer without the use of popular bleaching materials. So, ito siya, guys. So, yan po ang laman niya. Gulog! So, yan po ang laman niya, guys. It's a total of 5 products. So, yung Mud Mask, ito po siya. Leave Me on Autumn Mask. Ultra calming, rehydrating, rebalancing, revitalizing, and protecting. And this costs $44 US. So, magkano yun in pesos? I don't do math. Basta yun, $44 siya. And it reduces sunspots to a minimum after using daily after 2 till 3 weeks without the use of popular bleaching chemicals like hydroquinone, fragrance free. So apply a thin layer to your face and leave the mask on during the day. For optimal results, use the MUDMASKY Sleep Repair Mask at night. Ito-test ko siya. So, ano yung itsura niya? So, may ano siya. Di ko siya nabubuksan. Ngayon ko siya bubuksan. So, ganyan siya. Gel base. Yan yung ano niya. Yung sabi. The next one is the DLS Cosmetics Cherry Orange Lip Oil Duo. Perfect for warm or cold climates, this lip oil provides a little hint of tint with a lot of comfort. It can use alone or as a topper for your favorite matte, transforming it to a gloss. So, ito siya. Lip Oil Duo. Dirty Little Secret. So, dalawa siya, guys. Ang color is cherry and orange. So, ito yun. Pwede siyang pangpatong sa mga matte lipstick nyo. Like I'm wearing right now, it's a matte, powdery matte tint. So, ganito siya. Lip oil. Parang lip gloss na rin, right? No? So, try natin yung red. Cherry red. Medyo nga mataba eh. Bango. Try natin sa lips natin. Hindi ba marunong maglagay? What the hell? Ayan. Naging glossy na yung matte lipstick. So, yun. Yun yung laman niya. Cherry and orange. So, this cost, nagkakalaga siya ng $28. I got this for a low price. Imagine. Parang sulit na rin, guys, yung ano. Sulit na rin. So, this one. So, the next product is the CHELLA Highlighter Pencil. The highlighter pencil brightens and visibly lifts eyes after a light application blended on the brow bone and under eye dark circles. This multi-purpose must-have works as a highlighter, concealer, and under eyeliner. So, ito ay CHELLA. Ito yung highlighter. Apply where needed and pat gently into using your third or ring finger or blend in with CHELLA's dual blending brush for external use only. So, bubuksan natin siya. Ang shade niya ay latte. Latte shade. So, ito ang itsura niya. Hindi ko pa siya nabuksan. Naka-sealed pa siya. How do you open this? Ayun yung pa-open. Ayun yung pa-open, guys. Hey! Cooperate ka naman, B. She's kind of stubborn. Yarn. So, pwede siya sa brow bone. Brow bone dito. Brow bone. Bone dyan. Then, under eye dito, B. Pwede siya dyan. Kita niyo ba? Kita niyo ba? Nakakita. Para siyang concealer. Pwede rin highlighter. Nice. Saan salamin, friends? Friends tayo. So, pag sinot siya, ayan siya, guys. Ganyan po ang itsura niya. Nice. Like it. So, ang cost niya, $20. Next one is Appeal Bronze Liquid Eyeshadow. Glisten and glam with Appeal's new liquid eyeshadow. Rich with beautiful color, this eyeshadow will keep you flawless all day. So, ito ay ano po siya? Glitter. This cost $21. Taray, imported. First time ko magkaroon ng cosmetic na imported. I got the first subscription for free. Actually guys, nakita ko lang siya sa Instagram. Then na-clickbait ako. Nakita ko lang siya sa Instagram kasi nakalagay free. Free yung first box. Then, ayun. Walang isip-isip. Boom, push. Nabuksan Nabuksan ko na siya. And let's watch it. Let's see. Let's see. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Ewan ko guys kung makikita nyo. Gold siya eh. Bronze. Ay, bronze siya eh. Ano dito? Ito bronze siya. Then let's try it on sa eyes natin. Masyado siyang ano. Tingnan nyo. Ayun yung mag-focus. Ayun. Wala, ang dami. Sparkle yung eyes natin ito. Ooh! Ayan. Pangit kasi ng camera ko eh. And the last but not the least is the LARITZY Pressed Powder Bronzer. These finely milled pressed powder bronzers give skin a natural, sun-kissed glow. They're very pigmented, so don't forget to tap up the excess on your brush before applying. So this costs $20 US. Ito siya guys. LARITZY. Ibig sabihin, iba-iba store siya galing. No? Iba-iba yung brand eh. In the shade of Oath. So, ito yung packaging niya. Then, ang laman niya is ganito. Brown. Brown B.
Bronzer. What?
Oh, pang contour. Sorry guys, hindi kasi ako para makeup.
Really, nigga?
So, yan. Ito na yung laman. Ano yung kulay niya? Pang contour siya pala guys. Yun palang purpose niya. Yun na po lahat ang laman ng first box ko from Babebox. Fairness, ang ganda ng box. Tapos yun na po yung laman niya. Mga kineme-keme. So, ang total ng lahat ng products ay $133 US. The first box is free subscription. Wala kang babayaran. Shipping fee lang. Then, the second box, yun na yung babayaran mo. And that costs $29. So, magkano yun? 1.5. I don't know if free shipping na siya pag sa second box. Then, you can cancel anytime naman if you want. So, kailan ka pwede mag-cancel? Pwede ka mag-cancel pag nakuha mo na yung second box. Pero pag nakuha mo na yung first box, tapos magka-cancel ka, hindi pwede yun. Kailangan i-avail mo na yung second box bago ka mag-cancel. And yun yung problema ko right now.
What?
Ito nakukuha ng $29. Charot. Okay naman siya, worth it. I think worth it naman siya kasi high quality yung products niya and galing pa siya sa US and lahat naman ng reviews ay puro positive, puro the best daw, kineme-keme ganun. So, if you wanna know about Babebox, you can visit their website. I will put them on the description box below, and you can also visit them on Instagram. I'll also put their account on the description box below. So yeah, first time ko gumastos ng pagkamahal-mahal. Actually, shipping lang naman binayaran ko dito eh. So it's or $7. So, nasa 300 lang. Yun yung may pera pa ako. Tapos dumating siya after 1 month simula nung in-order ko siya. And dalawang isip pa ako nun eh. Pero minsan lang naman. Minsan ko lang gastosan yung sarili ko. Ibang tao nga ginagastosan ko tapos yung sarili ko hindi. I think deserve ko naman siya. I'm waiting for the second box. Hindi ko pa siya nababayaran sa ano ko pa siya babayaran. Pag billing date na. Basta yung second box, sa pagkakalam ko is $29. Nag-i-email naman sila, nag-update naman sila. Natatrack mo naman yung parcel. So that's it. I hope you like this video. And if you guys like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. Kung hindi ka pa nagsasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na para naman updated ka sa mga videos na ilalabas ko pa. Yeah. Please follow me also on my social media accounts. Nandito sa description box. Nandiyan lahat yan. And see you on my next vlog. Have a great day, guys, and thank you. Bye-bye.